Installing Fedora Linux Server, a complete step-by-step guide for beginners. Are you looking to set up a secure, modern, and stable Linux server? Fedora Server is an excellent choice for developers, sysadmins, and anyone exploring open-source enterprise-grade server solutions. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the full installation process of Fedora Server Edition, from downloading the ISO to post-installation updates. Fedora is a community-driven Red Hat-sponsored Linux distribution known for offering the latest open-source technologies and acting as the upstream source for Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL. It's reliable, developer-friendly, and ideal for server roles such as web hosting, file sharing, virtualization, and container platforms. Package what you'll learn in this guide: where to download the Fedora Server ISO, how to create a bootable USB drive or set up a virtual machine, how to perform a clean server installation without a graphical interface, headless mode, how to configure disks, partitions, time zone, and users, how to enable and set up networking, how to apply security and software updates after the initial setup, laptop computer system requirements. Before you begin, ensure you have a 64-bit CPU, x86_64 architecture, minimum 2 GB RAM, for gigabytes or more recommended, at least 20 gigabytes of available disk space. Fedora Server ISO, downloadable from getfedora.org. Bootable USB or virtualization tool like VirtualBox, VMware, KVM. Hammer and wrench installation overview. Download Fedora Server ISO. Go to the official Fedora website and download the latest stable version of Fedora Server. Create bootable media. Use tools like Rufus, Windows, or Balena Etcher Linux/Mac OS to create a bootable USB drive, or set up a virtual machine using your preferred hypervisor. Boot and begin installation. Boot your system from a USB/VM and select the Install Fedora Server option. Language and keyboard layout. Choose your preferred language and keyboard input during the initial setup screen. Set time zone and date. Select your location and ensure accurate system time for logs and updates. Installation destination. Configure disk partitioning, automatic or manual, and choose a desired file system, e.g. XFS extension for. Configure network and host name. Enable your network connection and assign a host name to the server. Set root password and create admin user. Create strong login credentials for secure access. Begin installation. Review your settings and proceed with the installation. Once done, reboot the system. Post-installation tasks. Update the system. Sudo DNF update. Why? Install additional packages as needed. Enable SSH and configure firewall rules.